US Plastic Corp. is your complete source for square and rectangular carboys, fort packs, and jerry cans. We carry a large variety of sizes and types for many different applications. These fluorinated Fortpacks seamless containers are rugged and impact resistant with a strong handle for easy pouring. They offer high-performance barrier properties thanks to their fluorination process. In this process, the fluorine gas creates carbon-fluorine bonding on the inside and outside surface area, blocking the porous wall of plastic and helping to eliminate or reduce the migration of aggressive chemicals. Higher levels of fluorination are used for more aggressive infuses and provide more barriers on the inside and outside surface area. For polyethylene, this process can eliminate or reduce problems caused by chemical attacks, including paneling, distortion, softening, label blistering, product weight loss, discoloration, odor emission, and ingredient loss. Fluorination increases shelf life, adhesion, closure retention, and product integrity. These Fortpacks are ideal for industrial packaging, solvent packaging, household products, and particulate-sensitive products. For more information on our Fluorinated Fortpacks or any of our other carboys, Fortpacks, and jerry cans, visit us online at usplastic.com or call us at 800-537-9724. Thanks for watching.